Okay students, so next instrument what we are going to see is instrumentation amplifier. So an instrumentation amplifier is a type of differential amplifier that has been outfitted with input buffer amplifier, which eliminates the need for input impedance matching and thus make the amplifier particularly suitable for the use in measurement and instrumentation topics. Okay, so generally, this instrumentation amplifiers is used in all the measuring instruments. So it is also known as in-amp. Okay, so the aim of doing this experiment is to study the characteristics of 10 gain instrumentation amplifier using the gain of 10, and we are also having the gain of 100, so which is in the kit, using which we can do this characteristics for 100 gain also. So this is the basic differential amplifier circuit what we are using as instrumentation amplifier or in-amp. Okay, so this is the kit for that. The kit also we are having the same circuit. So now let us start the experiment. So the basic connection is that we are going to give input using this 0 to 50 millivolt supply, this here to 0 to 50 millivolt source, and by tuning this source we can change the input voltage, and we can change that, we can observe that, so this input is boosted with the gain of either 10 or 100. So here you can clearly see that the R1 is the gain is 10, for R2 the gain is 100. So there are two knobs here, a single knob here which can convert that R1 and R2. So initially switch is in R1, that is 10 gain. That is, if you are applying in voltage of, I am going to change the voltage, and if I am going to apply the voltage as 0.04 approximately. So here the output I am going to get is 0.24. So for 10 gain I am going to get an output as 0.24. Similarly, if I convert this gain into from 10 to 100, so you can see that output voltage is boosted by nearly 10 times. So instead of 0.24, now it is 2.54. Like that, you will be taking down the reading for 10 gain and 100 gain. So this is the input voltage and this is the output voltage for 10 gain, and for 100 gain the same input is given and the output is noted. Okay, and with this, so there will be a change in the input, that is the actual gained output and the theoretical gained output. So here the gain is calculated by Vout divided by Vin. So this is Vout and this is the Vin. So the gain is calculated here. So gain is calculated here. So in the graph is drawn between the output voltage and input voltage. So many times it is linear because the gain will not change much. So we are going to set it as 100 or 10. So it will be around 10, 9, 11 like that. So if it is 100, then it will be looking around some 90s to 110 like that. Gain will change. So because of that, there is the graph will look like linear. So again, as I said, the instrumentation amplifier is used in many of the measuring instruments. So it is used to boost the input voltage, that is input signal, not the voltage. It is used to amplify the input signal to a higher value based on the gain set. So we can see this amplifier in many of the audio arrangements. In all the audio arrangements, we will be having an amp, so which is used to boost the signal from one level to another level based on the given gain set. There are sound engineers who are designing the gain, they will be setting the gain. So based on the gain set, the input signal is boosted to a higher level signal. So thank you.